Ahoy there, me mateys!
Ahoy there, me mateys!
Stop that!
Stop that.
I said... Never mind. We're here to teach these young pirates here how to speak like a pirate. Are you going to help, or are you just going to repeat everything I say?
Repeat everything I say.
All right, young pirates.
All right.
Never mind him. I hear you want to learn how to talk like a pirate. Well, I'm the right man for the job. I'll tell ye, are you ready? Now I'll say a pirate phrase, and then you say it back to me. Here goes. We'll start with some easy ones. Aye, aye. Ahoy, me hearties! Batten down the hatches! Avast, ye varmint! Well, blow me down! Shiver me timbers! Now here's some sailing talk for ye. We say, weigh anchor and hoist the mizzen. And here's the most important one. Where be the treasure?
Where be the treasure? Where be the treasure?
Right, ye have it. What fine pirates you'll make someday. Aye, it's through. Off you go now.
Off you go. Off you go. Off you go.